Hi everyone, this is for my PE2 blog. One of the tools I've been learning through Google.com has been Google Scholar Beta. This is similar to what we have at Full Sail with the Echo host. This helps you to find scholarly journals, any kind of research, because of course we're doing a lot of research for an AR project. So for example, my project is on education and technology, education media. So, for example, if I wanted to look for articles including patents, because of course we need to have these things be cited, I can type in education plus media, do a search. And basically it has the same search type as you would in the Escobar host. There's a couple of things that's different. Of course, the interface is pretty basic. It doesn't have Google Instant yet, but I think it might have Google Instant soon, connected with Google Scholar. But just like the Escobar host, you can actually narrow down your search. So if I say I'm looking for research since 2005, and I want to include citations, or at least summaries, I want citations. So keep that in there. And looking, of course, for articles with patents. I'm in the state of Georgia, so sometimes if you're in a local area and they have your information through Google, like if you did an iGoogle site or anything like that, it'll show you Georgia cases or federal cases, kind of showing from your state that you're in currently. So I'm in Georgia. So that's how that goes. You can click out, and basically, as before, you'll get search results. These search results, unlike what you would get from Google, are a little bit more concise than you would a regular Google search, because you can kind of narrow it down. And also, unlike Google, original Google, these sources are cited, which means you're not going to really have an issue with, doing any kind of plagiarism or getting information that isn't well researched or isn't in the criteria of being research information through Full Sail, through any other college for that matter. And so I can click on here and it'll send me straight to the site, or an HTML. They both do HTML and sites. The abstract, background, these are stuff that we would need for our research. You can click back and continue to search, and you can also do an advanced search, which goes even more detail. Now, this is actually kind of similar to the interface of the Escobar host, just in the fact that of how everything's broken down. Author, publication, date, collections, specifically what state. My state came up automatically, but say you're in another state and you're looking for data in the state that you're in, you can change that. You have U.S. federal options, as well as you can look through a particular subject. And like I said, of course, on top we have education media. We can knock down a couple more phrases if need be, and we can do our scholarly search that way. I like this website because it's similar to what we have at Full Sail, but it has kind of the Google mark to it, and so you can kind of search on it like Google, except it gets broken down a lot more. And so if you have a kind of a difficulty doing the bigger databases like the ones we have at school, this could be a great option for you. It can kind of lend to you slowly getting into doing really deep research online. And I think this would be a great site to start on. And so, of course, this is Google Scholar. If you type in Google's regular website and type in Scholar, this will probably be the first thing that pops up. And so I would definitely say try this out if you're doing some research on your AR project.